In this short video, I'm going to cover how to zoom in or zoom out in Google Sheets. I'm going to show 3 ways to do this. So the first way is just to change the zoom levels of your browser. And to do that, you just come up to this 3-dot menu in the top right corner. And then there's this zoom tool over here. So you press the plus sign to zoom in or the minus sign to zoom out. Now the drawbacks of doing this method are that it changes the zoom settings of your entire browser, which may not be what you want to do. The second method is to just change the zoom level of your Google Workbook, which you can do through their zoom tool in this menu. So you can zoom in by changing the percentage to higher than what you currently have it, or you can zoom out by lowering it. The third method is just to use your keyboard to change the zoom levels of your browser. This is similar to the first method. What you would do is you press Ctrl and then the plus sign on your keyboard, and that would zoom in. To zoom out, Ctrl and the minus sign on your keyboard, or you can press Ctrl and 0, and this will automatically restore your zoom settings to 100% back to default. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to answer everyone.